Okay, Saturday afternoon, I'm here at the shop and I've got to move the vans. Both of them are outside. I got to move one of the vans because I need to put the garage trailer here so I can do some work on it. And both keys are hanging on the hook. I'm like, which one's which? And I walk out, so I grab both keys, walk out. I'm trying to figure out which one's which. And I said, there's got to be a better way. Within our vans, we use green tape. In this van, different colored tapes in different vans. This one had green spray paint on it. Probably needs a little tuning up on that. But as what's interesting, we had no way to tell which van from the outside was green. And so on both vans, I went ahead and I put tape on it. And this is probably temporary. I'll have to get some from the wrap shop. And so now when you look at the back of the ProMaster, you go, oh, it's a green one. And then on the key, we've got green on the key. So if you go, hey, I need to move the green van and the key's inside, you go, oh, I just need the green key. You don't have to grab all of the keys. It's on, so every door has got it. Put one on the inside of the van, underneath the mirror on both sides. With just a quick glance, we know which van is which now. Nice, strong visual control.